I know it's been a while, but we have the possibility for some snow squalls today, and a wind advisory is in effect for 7. And all the trees are sprouted up, and summer is coming. But it's about 40 degrees out here. Some rain mixing in too. And how I know this is not hail, I'm gonna pick some up, some Graupel. This is Graupel, this is not hail. They're like really small though. So this thing right here, Graupel. And how I know it's not hail or snow, it's snow falling with Graupel. But that's awesome. It falls like hail, but this is the reason I know it's not hail. I can even smell some rain in there too. Look, I just caught a piece. Another Graupel. See, and it melts. You see, now, this is snow mixing in with Graupel, but it's not snow because the stuff in my hand is not snow because snow doesn't bounce on the ground. This was bouncing on the ground, so it's not snow. And the reason it's not hail because hail is ice. You just saw this piece of ice type water, whatever, in my hand. That is Graupel. Because you see, hail falls, then it makes dents, you know? Look how small this is. It's falling and it's bouncing off the ground, which snow doesn't do. Snow doesn't bounce off the ground. And hail does bounce off the ground. But this is not hail because, look at that. So the reason why this is not hail is because this is not snow, because snow doesn't do this. It doesn't hit the ground and then bounce off. Snow just lays on the ground. It goes on the ground and then it just disintegrates if it's warm enough. And then hail, if this was hail, it would be a little bit bigger. Maybe if it was like pea size, it would be bigger than this because this is not close to pea size. But if this was hail, it would not evaporate in my hand, you see, because it just did. It evaporated in my hand. And hail doesn't do that. Hail is more of an ice form. This is more like a snow form, but it's ice at the same time. Because again, snow doesn't bounce. So this is Graupel. And this is not hail, because it melts in my hand. So, it's Graupel, not hail. If this was hail, the piece would still be in my hand. Maybe it would be a little bit melted, but you see, this Graupel melted on my hand fully. If this was hail, it wouldn't have melted that quickly. It would have stayed on my hand. And it would be a little bit bigger. So we just got a nice Graupel / snowstorm. And there's still some falling, but all of it is melted, you see. Now if this was hail, it would have covered the ground already. We would have had covered ground, and the ground would be covered with hail. But as you see, Graupel literally just fell not even 2 minutes ago, and look at this. It's like we didn't even get Graupel, or hail. Because if this was hail, it wouldn't have melted, it would still be here. And I might have got hurt, because hail's stronger. But this is Graupel, and you see there's no Graupel on the ground now, because it melts really fast. So you just got a good Graupel snowstorm. So it's moving towards the east. It's moving towards Springfield. So yep. I just wanted to explain before I get comments saying, "Oh my God, no, that's hell." It's Graupel, guys. And we did get a hailstorm in winter, but that was hell. And if you want to see it, it's I named it. It's a severe thunderstorm. It should be titled 12/30/19, December 30th, 19. If you want to go check out, that was a hailstorm. So I just wanted to clear that out. This is Graupel and snowfall, and this is the first time I've seen Graupel in real life. So. Oh, we got more Graupel. More Graupels I just found. A lot of branches down.
Still have a few spotty rain or snow showers to deal with on Saturday. They are going to be hit or miss, but with the gusty wind, potential for a couple of squalls, and any rain showers might even get some small hail in the mix.